Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use audio from other users' Instagram Reels. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open the reel you want to use the music. And then tap on this icon here. And here you'll get the music. You can save the audio by tapping here, and to use the music to your reel, tap on use audio, and all you have to do is just capture your reel here, and I'm tapping on preview, and here you can see I successfully used audio from other users' reels. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.